Okay, so we'll go over notes 4, question number 4. I'll try to not write on this area because I just realized it's shiny. If people cannot see, I'm just writing exactly what we're doing with the empty. So you have 1, 2, 3. You want to add all of them up to the overall. Okay, so there's a new method that I teach today, which is whenever you apply something, you rewrite that one, right? That's what I teach today. Okay, so well, I'm looking at this. We'll start with something only exists. Okay, we'll find. Okay, I'll color code this one. Okay, see CO that appear twice. Okay, so that help you to. I'll see if before I run out of all the colors. Okay, oxygen, the gas of oxygen. Okay, that's the only place it show up, right? Okay, what else I have? This deep blue. Okay. All right. Hydrogen gas. Okay. And so far this step is just matching. Okay. Water. Okay, look at water doesn't exist in the original formula. So that's a new concept that we learned in the class called intermediate, if you still remember that. Which means water finally they're going to cancel out themselves because it doesn't exist in the overall. Alright? So what else? Before I run out of all the color, to finish this. Okay. CH4. Okay, that's here. CH4. CH4. Oh, I was missing. Okay. Oh, one more. I'm missing a very important one. This carbon dioxide. Okay, so far I have color coded all the stuff that we have, right? Okay, another thing that we were saying, pay attention to is this carbon dioxide is not part of game of our overall, which means no matter what you're going to play around with, this one and this one needs to be canceled out because they're not existing overall, right? The one that I circled and triangle is called intermediate. So that's the new concept, which is on your reader, whatever page. So I want teacher to actually know exactly what we're talking about. Reader page. Okay, so this triangle and this, because they do not exist in overall. They do not, okay? So these are called intermediate. Okay, needs to be canceled out, right? And this is reader page 29. Okay, that's the concept that you need to know. Okay, so now we are starting to solve for this. How do I start with? Okay, so we'll start with something that only exists once. So what is exists once? Oxygen gas. It only exists once here. None of the oxygen gas is showing up the other, right? Right. So which means once you get oxygen gas exactly to this amount, then you're done with this. Well, you're done with this. Good? Okay, so I'll use red for color this one. Am I going to erase this intermediate? People know this concept, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I have 2 oxygen. None of the oxygen exists, so I will just need to do scaling down exactly from 2 to half. How should I scale it down? I need the whole thing. 2 times. Right, because 2 times 1/4 is half. and that's the number I need for oxygen in the overall, right? Okay, so one more step I did today is after I knowing I'm applying that much, I will rewrite the whole. I will rewrite that exactly with my red color because that's the step I'm applying. So everything in this reaction will have 1/4 in the front. So 1/4 of my CH4, and now 2 times 1/4 become half, right? Okay. Is that, oh, is that run out of the, okay, let me move to this side a little bit so people can see.